some chicken, I'm using some chicken seasoning and some salt. You can add more if you want to, but because the sauce is really the star of the show, I'm keeping it simple. I'm going to add a little drop of oil as well. And then I'm going to mix it together. Once you've mixed it together, you can put it in the fridge and leave it for a couple of hours, but I'm just going to put this straight in the oven. Okay, so we're going to put the chicken in an oven-proof dish, and then we're going to put it in the oven for about half an hour on gas mark 5 or 190. Okay, so we're going to make the barbecue sauce now. We're going to put all of the ingredients at the same time. So first go the tomatoes, and then we're simply going to add some tomato puree, smoked paprika, sugar and garlic. Just chuck it all in at the same time. We're going to add a stock cube and some soy sauce. Okay, so we're going to mix everything together and we're going to leave it on a medium flame to cook for about 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on it. Okay, so after about 20 minutes, you need to check your sauce. If you look at this, you can see that this has reduced and it's a lot thicker than it was before. I would use this opportunity to taste it, because what you're looking for is a bit of a tart taste, and it should also be a little sweet as well. So if it isn't, you can always adjust your seasoning to make sure that it is. Okay, so now we're going to pour some generous spoonfuls of the sauce over the chicken.
After about 5 minutes, take the chicken out and give it another coating with the sauce before putting it back in the oven to finish off.
Okay, so now we're ready to just plate this up. Okay, there you go. Just pour the remaining sauce over the top.